Hello, my name is Sarah Valentine and I'm an accent coach. I have been studying accents since I was a very little girl, and it started off with when I was 6 years old. I moved from Epsom in Surrey, which is generally what this accent is, and I moved to Devon in England. I very quickly learned that I needed to blend because I kind of stuck out like a sore thumb. I would go up to people and go, "Oh, hello, how do you do? It's so lovely to meet you." The Devonshire kids didn't really like that, and I had to very quickly learn how to speak like this. And so very quickly I started speaking in my Devonshire accent, and I got pretty good at it. And my mother, as soon as I come home, she'd be like, don't talk like that. I'd like you to speak properly. And I'm like, I am speaking properly, Mum. This is how people speak down here. But she didn't really like it. And then I made friends with this lovely girl in my class, and her name was Sylvia Rees, and she was from Wales. And honestly, if ever I get to meet her, I've got to thank her, because whenever I do an accent, it tends to be from somebody I've met. And so Sylvia got me my Welsh accent, and I'm very grateful for that. So if you're watching, Sylvia, thank you very much. In my lifetime, I've met a lot of people, and I've travelled all over the UK, and I do accents from America and, other places. I have a very good friend, Jerry, and he's from Scotland, and so it's quite weird actually, because when I start doing a Scottish accent, I tend to sound like a man. I go, "Oh yeah, my name's Jerry." I don't know why, but I had a lot of luck in my life. Worked with quite a few actors. People that I've met on one of the jobs that I've done was Pete Mullan. Whenever I worked with him, it would be like, "Alright baby, how you doing? Alright doll." At Top of the Lake, which starred Elisabeth Moss, who you may know from the Handmaids Tale. Obviously there was Top of the Lake 1, and there's been Top of the Lake 2. And while she was shooting Top of the Lake 1, I also got to work with Holly Hunter. And she taught me, I'm jumping accents, so I gotta remember where I am. She taught me how to say pie, and she corrected me for my accent, because my southern accent, I would say Holly Hunter, and it's not Holly, it's Holly. Holly Hunter. She's from Conyers, and I love her accent. It's like one of my favorites. And yeah, I do a number of different accents, which you will get to see over the course of this channel. So without further ado, I would like you to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, and we shall see each other on another video soon. Thanks so much. See ya.